Welcome to Seed to Life. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. A few weeks back, I made a comparison series on oregano, carom seeds, and Cuban oregano. And then there was another one on two types of Brahmi plants. Today, we are going to begin another such comparison series to find out who these brothers of cilantro from another mother are. So, let's begin. Cilantro is one of the most widely used herbs. It is part of almost all South Asian curries and many savory dishes. But do you know these other plants that are so similar in taste to that of cilantro that if you put them in some dish, you may mistake it for cilantro? In India, we call cilantro coriander leaves since the seeds are called coriander seeds. These other plants are Culantro or Mexican coriander and Rau Ram or Vietnamese coriander. We are going to see more information on these plants in future separate videos, but for now we will just see some common things and differences among them. Let's start with the botanical names. The botanical name of cilantro is Coriandrum sativum. The botanical name of Culantro is Eryngium foetidum. The botanical name of Rau Ram or Vietnamese coriander is Persicaria odorata. It is not difficult to identify these plants by their looks. Cilantro has thready, delicate leaves and grows tall up to 1 meter. Culantro plants are tiny and they grow up to 6 to 8 inches tall, whereas Rau Ram or Vietnamese coriander grows like mint plants. They send out runners and grow flatter on the ground, and the stems can go high up to 10 to 12 inches tall. Taste-wise, cilantro has the most subtle flavor. I know some of my friends, they find even cilantro strong and cannot tolerate the smell, but most people like it. Then there is culantro, which is much stronger than cilantro. I could use only 2 to 3 leaves for garnishing, but I love my dishes loaded with chopped cilantro. I'm sure as I get used to this new flavor, I'm definitely going to like it. Sometimes it takes time to adapt to new tastes. As long as the new food is a healthy choice, I like to try things. This third plant, Rau Ram or Vietnamese coriander, is the strongest of these all. The smell is a little bit different from that of the cilantro and the culantro. In addition to the aroma of the cilantro, it also has some other smell that makes it much more pungent. It goes in chicken salad and soups for garnishing. You can use it for anything, but I have used it for fish along with fresh lemongrass, oregano, rosemary and garlic leaves when I made stuffed fish. The flavors blended so beautifully that we really loved it. That's it for now. If you like herbal aromas, these are some new options for you. In my next videos, we will be seeing how to grow these plants in your home garden. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel now to watch these videos. A big thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel Seed to Life and share my videos. Media links are posted in the description. See you again. Bye.